Hello friends, this project's name Shido already listed MXC exchange, and this Shido chain almost transaction 5 million plus, and average block time 55, and tips 5,000. That's mean block 9 almost 34 million. And so this project already listed many exchanges. You can find about this project more details. It is cost by layer wall, while infrastructure stability, leverage, and dual EVM, both Ethereum and smart contract with zero cost impact. This central liquidity for the Shido network asset instantly low and peaceful and your wallet. You can find more about this project, Shido scan, Shido apps, so many features available. You can check this project details. Okay, Shido, this official Explorer Shido network, you can track transaction, verify contract, and analyze network metrics real time. You non-custodial growth Web3 and sent built on the off-chain roadmap. Okay, Shido basically working cross-chain bridge also available. You can seamless move asset between Shido, the major network with high-speed, secure, and decentralized infrastructure. Okay, Shido bridge available, Shido gateway available. So more you can see future there. Shido good working. I think you can stake, buy and stake anytime Shido. This Shido API is so high, staking API, you can try to stake some Shido, then you see future year, I think price increase more because Shido use case more, and then this token price easily pump. Okay, Shido is a good project, but you can check my video description this project about more details.